Okay, for today, we're going to be looking at the median. The median. Okay, so I even see here on the instructions, it says, find the median for each data set. Now, median. Okay, what's the sound of median? What's a word that sounds like median? Okay, I'm going to say a word that sounds like median will be middle. Okay, so when I'm asking you find the median for each data set, what I'm expecting is for you to list your numbers from small to large and find the number in the middle. Now, the numbers are not given to you in order, okay? They're not given to you in order, so let me order them from small to large. So I'm gonna go 55, 56. Let's see, in the 60s, I have 63, 66, 66. Just because I have the number twice doesn't mean I'm only going to write it once. I'm actually going to write 66 twice. And then I have 83, 98, 101, and 122. I listed all my numbers in order. Okay, so now the median. Which one is the number in the middle? What I'm going to do is let me cancel the smallest numbered and the largest numbered. So boom, they're gone. I made my list a little bit smaller. Now let me do it again. Let me cancel the smallest numbered with the large number. I'm just going into towards the middle. I want to find out where's the middle. So 63 with 98 cancel out. 66 with 83 cancel out. And I happen to have which number is in the middle. So my median and for this data set will be 66. When I only have one number in the middle, it is that number. Some cases, we're going to have two numbers in the middle. We're going to see examples of those. If not, I'll explain it at the end of the lecture. But our goal, hopefully, we have one number, but sometimes there will be two numbers in the middle. All right, so let's take a look at number 6. Let me list my numbers from small to large. So I have 20, then I have 22, then I have 23, 3 times, 24, 26, 27, 29, 31, and 33. Okay, so I listed my numbers in order. From dot plot, it's easy, right? They're kind of put in order already. So that's kind of easy to put in order. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel the smallest numbered and the largest numbered. I'm trying to make my list a little bit smaller. So let me do it actually with red. And again, let me cancel the smallest number with the biggest number. And again, the smallest number and the biggest number. And again, the smallest with the biggest, the smallest with the biggest. And in this case, I happen to have one number in the center and right in the middle. So this is my number 24. Median, again, is the number that is right in the middle. Okay, so it's not that bad when we're given a list of numbers, when we're given dot plots. When we're looking at tables, let's take a look at the tables. They're not in order, so let me put them in order. Let's see, what's the smallest number that we see there? It's in the 70s, right? So I'm gonna say the smallest number is 74.1. Then we have 74.2. We already used those. 78.4. 79.1. 79.3. Let me cancel this so I don't get confused. 79.7. For space purpose, let me continue at the bottom. So now it's in the 80s. So I'm gonna say 80.3, 80.4. Again, I'm going in order from small to large. So 81, then we have 82, and then the biggest number is 82.5. Okay, not bad. So let me cancel. I want to find the number in the centered. So let me cancel the smallest numbered and the largest numbered. So they're gone. Let me do it again. The smallest number with the largest numbered. And again, let me cancel the smallest number and the largest numbered. The smallest and the largest. The smallest and the largest. And I happen to have just one number in the centered. So my answer will be 79.7. Cool. It's nice when there's only one number. So let's take a look at question number 8. First of all, let me put my numbers in order from small to large. So it seems like the smallest graph, the smallest bar is 1. How many ones do I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 1 6 times. Then I have a 2, because I'm going from small to large, right? This is a 2. Then I have a 3. This is a 3. Then I have a 4. And then the largest is a 5. Okay. So the hard part to begin with is put them in order from small to large. Okay, now let me cancel the smallest number with the largest number. So my number got smaller. Now let me cancel the smallest number with the largest number. And then again, the smallest with the largest, the smallest with the largest. And now I have two numbers. So it was nice. It was nice when I had one number. Now, when I do have two numbers, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add those two numbers. I'm going to get the average of those two numbers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add those two numbers. So 1 plus 1. Like I said, in this case, they're easy to add. Sometimes it might not be too easy. But if I have two numbers in the center, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the average of those two. So again, I added the numbers and then divided by 2. I'm only going to divide it by 2 because there's two numbers only. Like I said, I'm looking at the two numbers in the center. So I'm going to go 1 plus 1. I know 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2. So I have, this is 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So my number in the center is 1. Now, another way we could have seen it, when it's the same number, well, it is the same thing. Which number is in between? I want to ask myself, which number is in between those two in there? So 1 and a 1. What number is right in between 1 and 1? Well, obviously a 1. Now, what if, let me show you guys something pretty cool. What if, so this is going to be a separate example. Let me separate these. Let me just say this is a second example. What if I had a number like 4 and 6? Okay. Again, this is a different example. So what I will do is like, I will add my two numbers, 4 plus 6 divided by 2. I know 4 plus 6 is 10. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5. Interesting. Interesting thing is that if I would have asked you what number is right in between 4 and 6, you guys would have said 5. And that's pretty much how we do it. Right, the median of two numbers, the mean of two numbers is basically the median of them. What number is in between 4 and 6? Pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, now you guys should be able to do this. We did examples 5 through 8. Median is basically the number in the middle.